Alright. So, me and Nico be watching like food YouTube channels or whatever, like where they try to eat hella food in like a certain amount of times and shit. And we watched one like this, right? He drank like hella liters of soda.
Like a 2 liter. Two liters.
Yeah, he drank like 2 liters of soda without burping. And we went to Popeyes today and like he ordered a gallon of sweet tea, but they were out of sweet tea. So we got a gallon of Sprite. And he came up with this bizarre idea to try to drink one whole large Sprite without burping. I can guarantee I'm gonna lose, but we're gonna try, right?
We're gonna do this.
Exactly. How do you not burp? But alright, but that's what we're doing right now. This is a cheating one because half that Sprite's already gone. It's a big ass Sprite. There's no time, right? No time limit.
You just can't burp.
Okay. And if I burp, then I lose?
Basically.
Okay.
I'm the type of bitch, get a bag, act like nothing never happened. Got these bitches mad.
This is really carbonated. I'm already about to burp.
Oh, yeah.
Don't you dare. See, I already feel the burp wanting to come up.
It's like stuck right here.
And I was literally half asleep right now. I forgot. Then I don't even drink soda like that either. This is really difficult for me.
You might win, actually. Not even gonna lie.
Just drink more soda when you have to burp. This is super hard. I feel it coming.
Oh, shit. I feel like I can't hold it.
This is his idea, so.
I think I figured it out.
What?
I'm not even gonna tell you.
You're fucking rude ass. Because I feel like once it's the end and once we finish it, I'm gonna burp so fucking loud or something. What the fuck? I keep almost burping, like not even thinking of it.
Exactly.
Like that's not the challenge or something, and then I remember. Okay, bro, what the fuck is going on? Okay, well, first of all, look at how much you've drank and look at how much I drank.
You better catch up.
And there's some shit floating. That's sick. What the fuck is that?
The fuck is that?
Alright. I'm literally to right here. And he's like to right here. I'm gonna burp, I feel it. I can't hold it in. Damn, you're fast.
You just gotta keep drinking.
I'm getting discouraged.
You just gotta keep drinking.
Can we get like one burp each?
Nope. Because one burp could damn near let everything out.
I swear I just need one to come out. You good over there?
One came up, I almost did it.
Sorry about the lighting in here, y'all. I was supposed to bring ring light. I forgot, so. Oh my god, it's cold right here. You got me drinking this cold ass soda. Yeah, could you burp already so you could lose and I don't have to drink the rest of this soda?
No.
Come on.
I'm a burp.
I know, you really did on that one. I heard it coming. Lizards are so slow, like just get it. That was a burp.
It wants to come out so bad.
So bad. It's like literally right here. And it's literally so cold.
I'm sorry, that had to come out.
Ha! I won.
I can't even keep it down no more.
And now
That
it'll
was a
come
weak
out.
ass burp for it to.
The way that came out exactly is a weak ass fucking burp. I feel like I have like 5 of them in there. I mean,
Fucked up.
he did get to like right here. Mine's definitely still to like right here. There you go. Okay, for real now. My shit's stuck. That was honestly the most uncomfortable thing.
Yeah, no, fuck that. Fuck that. I can't keep it down before. We just sitting right here.
What's up? I'm starving too since you won't fucking eat. Oh my god, we got Nico's lizard a fucking caterpillar, or like a big ass worm for him to eat. And the lady at the store told us that it would turn into like, it would like go in a cocoon and turn into a moth. Well, first of all, this motherfucker is low-key scary as fuck. Like, when he bites his food, once it moves in his mouth, he like gets scared and then he doesn't eat it. He like gives up on it. So just the other day, it'd been like, how long? A week and a half since I seen the worm, since I was here?
Yeah.
It was like a minute.
Alright.
And the worm was thick. Like, that bitch was thick. It was like this, and it was hella long. And I asked him where the worm went when I came back here, and it was gone. So I went to refill the water yesterday, and there's this fucking brown shit under there. And it's like, I didn't think twice of what the fuck it was. Like, I thought it was a dried out worm. I thought it was a worm that was dried out from the light. Then he was like, that motherfucker's in its cocoon, and that's dead at... Bruh, watch. Do you see that shit? It is in its cocoon, like, gonna turn into a moth. Like, watch, that shit'll move. You see? It's like, look. What'd you say that is? Like, its wings forming?
Yeah.
So basically, we took it out of the cage, because obviously the fucking lizard's not gonna eat the cocoon in a moth. And we put it in this little thing. Ugh. It is scary. It looks like it's like from Stranger Things. Yeah, no, that motherfucker is nasty. But we kept it in here so we could see what it turns into, honestly. Because I'm interested. Like it when it moves like that. But yeah, so we got a pet moth. It's pretty big though.
Pet moth. Said we don't got a pet moth. That shit's gonna die as soon as it hatches.
Dead ass?
Dead ass.
Oh, you're gonna kill it?
I might let it outside.
But we didn't think it would turn into a moth that fucking fast. Like, we thought it would take like a cool minute.
It's big ass moth.
It's big. Like, not no little fucking moth you see in your house. Like, I'm talking that motherfucker's gonna be like this big. How big did she say the biggest one could get? God damn, bro. I still gotta. The size of your hand. Yeah, no, it's cut. You gotta let that motherfucker go. That's like a creature.
For real. Yes.
Damn. That was like a 3-second challenge that Nico came up with, because we were supposed to do the you won't challenge, but our lazy ass been in the fucking room all day, and that was supposed to be in public. And then we were supposed to do the how much would you for challenge. I don't know why we didn't do that one. But that one's coming to you soon. How much would you? How much would you go gay for?
You asking me that?
Yeah, you can't say no. You have to say a number. No, actually, I'm not gonna do that to you because I don't even want to know the answer to that.
You're gonna have to give me probably.
Okay, I'll make it easy. Like only let a guy like touch you or something. Like you don't gotta touch
You gotta give me at least $1 trillion.
Really? $1 trillion. I feel like it's different for a girl. Like in Chrissy's channel, I was saying you'd have to give me at least like maybe like 100 million to go gay or something. Honestly, I'm lying. If you offer me 1 million, I'd let a bitch touch me for 1 million. But I'm not touching a girl. Like you'd have to offer me $1 trillion for me to like touch a girl, and that's the end of it. Not suck a titty. I'd probably still suck a titty for $1 million. But like anything past that, touching her, no. Not happening. Like $4 trillion. But yeah, we'll do that challenge later, right? That's a little sneak peek. But we didn't finish the soda. I still won, even though he drank more than me. He burped first. I guess
That shit just came out.
I feel like that's unfair though, because I literally drank like this much of my fucking soda and you drank the whole thing.
So I win.
No, it's like half and half. How about? Because I didn't burp. He could have this one. He could have it because I barely drank none of my soda. So if I drink as much soda as he drank, I would have threw up. So you go on this one.
Yeah.
It was your idea, anyways.
Winner, winner.
I'll win the next one. It's fine. Whatever we come up with. But thanks for watching, y'all. It's literally 3-second challenge that we'll never do again. So if you got any other challenges for us, put that in the comments down below, and don't do no stupid shit because I won't do it. So go do the close part for me.
Do what?
The closing part for me.
How we gonna do it?
No, you gotta say how I end my videos.
How you gonna do
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Come on.
it? I gotta do that shit?
Yeah.
I gotta do that shit.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.
There you go. Comment down below some challenges, all that good shit.
Yeah.
And we're gonna catch y'all later. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. I gotta look without my fucking extensions. I don't know what's going on.
Shit like
It is long, but like not as long as it is with the extensions. His fucking roommate, when he first saw my extensions in this room, he said he thought I was bald and I had a wig. And that he seen me in person and he was telling their other friend, like, hey bro, she don't look bald. Like, that don't look like a wig. And yesterday at the baseball party, he was like, so you really not bald? I was like, Chandler, bruh. I was like, this is my hair. He was like, let me feel it. And I was like, let me pull your fucking hair. I was like, this shit is real. All right, for real, we just chat now. See y'all later, okay? This is